Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to lower the blades on this machine here. This one, the setting for this, the minimum setting is 7 millimeters, but you can actually lower more by just shaving some of the metal on the side here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to be using this tool right here to shave off some of the metal. The first thing you got to do is flip the lawnmower. Actually, first thing, just unplug the spark plug and just flip it down. And this is where the setting is right here. Right in here. You can go higher or lower. So to make it, first I'm gonna try to make it higher. So all you have to do is turn this knob clockwise to lift the settings right there. As you can see, the roller starts to go down, which means it lifts the blade, so you get a higher cut. What I want is a lower cut. There it is. As you can see right here, this is where I shaped all this part right here. This right here was all the way up to here, and what I did, I just shave all the metal using this tool right here. That's it. Now I don't want to do it too much, because otherwise you can break this right there. So what I do need to do is shave it a little bit to the size as well. There you go. So now when I lower this, the roller will come down. And also make sure to loosen up the other screw on the other side. It's already loose, so as I lower this now, it's gonna fall down, farther down. And it's gonna allow me to cut lower. You can see that. It won't let me go lower than that because I need to get some of this stuff right here. So I'm going to shave more metal off to the side to see if I can get it lower. Okay, so here we go. I gotta get rid of this right here and get some metal off from this side as well. That way it could drop all the way down here. Okay, so I managed to shave the metal from there, and I'll lower it all the way down. So we'll see how that cuts. I may need to get this off just if it touches the grass, to see how that cuts. Okay, so I got everything ready. We'll see how it cuts now. This is already cut. It's probably about 8 or 9 right now, so we'll see.